Watch, watch, watch. At the world, it's not a plan. Hear me, no, man? Hey, a franchise, the chosen one, the 10-star general. And you know when I represent in a full effect. You know what go already, you know? When we aim up, load up, crank up, and sound the big thing, them and drop necessary equipment. Watch.
Don't know, say, the GT bars this is, so. Alright, New York we say, and a Ryno we say. So you see them people there, well I say Ryno dead, wanna watch. Ryno can't there, cause Ryno never been in no accident. You see me? No car accident, no bike accident, no nothing. You understand? Cause Ryno there say I was with Vita today. That me could tell you.
So no here
Stop spreading rumors.
So all of you local bloggers on love me tell you I read about an animated and a fabrication store and love run up on YouTube with and I pull out the place with be bad vibes and all of them shit there.
Yeah.
You know the general always there to straighten out things properly because I always tell you a 10-star way on the road and I'm a GT brethren.
Yeah, so all who are Ryno for dead and who are wishing for dead, go kill on yourself. Cause Ryno is alive and well, no car, no bike crash, no nothing. Ryno is alive and well. And he's doing good in America too.
Watch. So the sister I don't know lollipop thing. Yo, you can't bring down no crosses from the Gaza youth them, you hear that? So, you straighten up on the argument. And stop getting twisted, you hear that?
Yeah, because two first we say no Gaza we say, right? No Gaza youth not get killed inside of New York, so. Cause God we grow with, right? Ryno can't dead. You understand? Ryno kill people. We don't dead.
Watch. So you see say a 10-star way means a man a make gonna have it. And no lollipop thing. But here we are going. You know, see the world boss take over the whole of trending. Around 3 things I see them on trending, I blast up the whole place, see the world boss. And here we are going, man. Some look a man where they talk about the boss drop off. Right now I see the man them all review all the boss youth them song. And not even that. I see man all review all preview all Lisa hype on the boss. And I see how explosive him have. But you know, don't know already. Without Gaza, you don't have nothing up on YouTube. You don't know no lollipop thing. And the general are representing a full effect.
Because them don't know say a cartel we say, or the general. You understand? Cartel. You understand? A bounty killer son that. So anybody we send a road can't dead. Alright? Watch.
10-star way.